greensandmachines.com.
Welcome back, viewers. We're now into week 5 of the hydroponic garden. As you can see, the garden's still here. It survived the massive rainstorm I was talking about last week. In fact, the rain coming down even filled up these unused channels and filled up the reservoir, so I don't have to do that right now. Luckily, it wasn't enough to where it flooded it and was spilling out. So I'm grateful for that. So now that the rain and cold temperatures have passed, we can now start putting basil into the system, as I talked about last week. And we got one of our plants here. Look at that. Nice little guy. Hopefully we can have a few more of these in the system soon. I've got a bunch in the upcoming plants to put in the garden, but I need all these roots here to get longer. This lettuce looks like it's about ready for the next set of channels. My favorite way of telling, I take another nut cup and I place it next to it. If it's longer, then I can move it. This one is not quite there yet. In a few days, this should go into a lower channel or this new series of channels I just opened up for the hydroponic garden. So now we have this set of channels over here. It's now running, and we have plants over here. So take a look at this. Get one of the Chinese cabbages. Nice long roots, good enough for any of the lower channels, good enough for any of the next set of channels. So now we have space, active space for, let's see, 6 times 6 is 36 plants. So we're at half capacity. Let me show you how these other ones are doing, these bigger ones. Look at these lettuces. Oh yeah, they're huge. Look at these nice roots too. They're ready to eat. If I could figure out what I want to use all this lettuce for. Look at these long roots. That's the problem I have with taking them in and out of the garden. The roots are... It's a little tedious to get them back in there without damaging them. See? Let's take some lettuce. How about that? Got a nice leaf here. That's crisp. Very crisp. And no off flavors either. You see this produce that you grow in a hydroponic garden like this one? Phenomenal. Now, it is going to heat up next week quite a bit. I'm hoping it doesn't cause the lettuce to bolt yet. We do have the shade. We always have the shade. But they're getting bigger. They might send up a stalk soon. I'm hoping not, because that'll make the leaves taste bad. So I'm going to have to find a use for these lettuce plants real soon. If you do want to build a garden like this one, the plans are on the Etsy shop. You can go there and purchase it. It's inexpensive based on the relative value of the garden. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Be sure to subscribe for more hydroponic gardening videos. We'll see you in the next update.